The wild calls to us. It whispers of adventure. It promises excitement and challenges. Are you ready to answer? Step outside your comfort zone and into the embrace of nature. Discover the thrill of the unknown. Your epic outdoor adventure awaits.
Lace up your boots. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and that step starts with preparing yourself. Feel the texture of the laces as you pull them tight, securing your feet for the adventure ahead. Feel the earth beneath your feet. Each step connects you to the ground, grounding you in the present moment. The crunch of leaves, the softness of the dirt, and the occasional snap of a twig underfoot remind you that you are part of this vast ecosystem. Hiking is the perfect way to explore nature's beauty. As you walk, notice the vibrant greens of the leaves, the way sunlight filters through the canopy, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. Listen to the symphony of birdsong and the rustle of small creatures in the underbrush. Choose a trail, any trail. Each path offers its own unique challenges and rewards. Whether you seek the thrill of a steep climb or the tranquility of a gentle walk, the choice is yours. Study the map, plan your route, and set off with confidence. Breathe in the fresh air. Let the crisp, clean scent of pine and earth fill your lungs. Feel the cool breeze on your face, refreshing and invigorating. This is the air of freedom, far from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Each step takes you further into the wild. With every stride, you leave behind the noise and stress of civilization, immersing yourself in the serenity of nature. Notice how the landscape changes, from dense forest to open meadows, from babbling brooks to rocky outcrops. Discover hidden waterfalls and stunning views. These are the rewards of your journey, the moments that take your breath away. Stand in awe of the cascading water, feel the mist on your skin, and gaze out at the panoramic vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. Each discovery is a reminder of the beauty and wonder that the natural world holds.
Pitch your tent under a canopy of stars, build a crackling campfire. Camping connects you with nature. Listen to the sounds of the night, roast marshmallows and share stories. Wake up to the beauty of a new day.
Challenge yourself with rock climbing. Feel the adrenaline surge. Conquer vertical walls. Trust your gear and your skills. Reach the summit and enjoy the victory. The view from the top is worth the climb.
Section 5. The beauty of nature. A feast for the senses. Nature's beauty surrounds us. From the moment we step outside, we are greeted by a world teeming with life and color. The vibrant hues of wildflowers, the golden glow of the setting sun, and the endless shades of green in the forest create a tapestry that is both breathtaking and humbling. Look closely and be amazed. The intricate details of nature reveal themselves to those who take the time to observe. The delicate wings of a butterfly, the shimmering dew on a leaf at dawn, and the complex patterns on a flower petal are all wonders waiting to be discovered. Vibrant flowers paint the meadows. Each bloom is a masterpiece, contributing to a living canvas that changes with the seasons. In spring, the fields burst into a riot of colors, while in summer, the flowers stand tall and proud, basking in the warmth of the sun. Crystal-clear rivers flow through the valleys. These waterways are the lifeblood of the ecosystem, providing sustenance to countless plants and animals. The gentle murmur of a stream, the rush of a waterfall, and the serene flow of a river all add to the symphony of sounds that define the natural world. Towering trees reach for the sky. These giants of the forest stand as silent sentinels, their branches stretching out to touch the heavens. They provide shelter and food for wildlife, and their leaves create a canopy that filters the sunlight, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. Listen to the birds sing. Smell the fresh air. The songs of birds are nature's music, a melody that changes with the time of day and the seasons. Each note is a reminder of the diversity and beauty of life. The crisp, clean air fills our lungs, invigorating our senses and refreshing our spirits. Nature is a feast for the senses. It invites us to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to immerse ourselves in its wonders. Touch the rough bark of a tree, feel the softness of a flower petal, and let the cool breeze caress your skin. Every moment spent in nature is a reminder of the beauty and complexity of the world around us. It is a sanctuary, a place where we can find peace and inspiration, and a source of endless fascination.
Section 6. Challenges of the wild. Test your limits. The wild can be challenging. Be prepared for anything. Weather can change quickly, terrain can be difficult, but don't be discouraged. Embrace the challenges. Push your limits. You are stronger than you think.
Section 7. Stories from the edge. Inspiration from explorers. Explorers throughout history inspire us. They face danger and uncertainty. They push the boundaries of human achievement. Their stories remind us we are capable of amazing things. Let their courage inspire your own adventures.
Section 8. The rewards of adventure, growth, and discovery. Adventure brings incredible rewards. You'll face your fears and overcome obstacles. You'll discover hidden strengths. You'll connect with nature on a deeper level. The memories you make will last a lifetime.
Section 9. Planning your adventure. Safety first. Adventure awaits, but safety comes first. Plan your trip carefully. Research the area and potential hazards. Pack the right gear. Tell someone where you are going and when you'll be back. Be prepared for anything.
Section 10. Gear up for the great outdoors. Whether you're planning a weekend camping trip, a day hike, or a multi-day backpacking adventure, having the right gear is essential for a successful and enjoyable experience. Let's dive into the must-have items and tips to ensure you're well prepared for your outdoor escapades. Having the right gear makes all the difference. It can mean the difference between a memorable adventure and a challenging ordeal. From the basics to the advanced, each piece of equipment plays a crucial role in your comfort and safety. Invest in quality gear that will last. Choose comfortable hiking boots. Your feet are your primary mode of transportation in the wilderness, so it's vital to have boots that provide support, durability, and comfort. Look for waterproof options with good traction to handle various terrains. Pack layers of clothing for changing weather. The weather in the great outdoors can be unpredictable, so it's important to be prepared for all conditions. Start with a moisture-wicking base layer, add an insulating layer for warmth, and top it off with a waterproof and windproof outer layer. This way, you can easily adjust your clothing to stay comfortable, no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. Don't forget essentials like a map, compass, and first aid kit. These items are crucial for navigation and safety. A map and compass will help you stay on track and find your way, while a first aid kit can be a lifesaver in case of injuries. Additionally, consider bringing a multi-tool, flashlight, and extra batteries. These small items can be incredibly useful in a variety of situations. A reliable tent is another key piece of gear. It provides shelter from the elements and a place to rest after a long day of exploring. Make sure your tent is easy to set up and sturdy enough to withstand wind and rain. Don't forget to bring a ground tarp to protect the bottom of your tent and keep it dry. Food and water are also essential. Pack enough food to keep your energy levels up and bring a portable stove for cooking. Dehydrated meals are lightweight and easy to prepare, making them a great option for outdoor adventures. Always carry more water than you think you'll need, and consider bringing a water filter or purification tablets in case you need to refill from natural sources. Finally, don't forget to bring items that enhance your outdoor experience. A campfire can be a great way to relax and enjoy the evening, so pack firewood or a portable fire pit if allowed. Bring a camera to capture the beautiful scenery and memories, and consider a journal to document your adventures. With the right gear and preparation, your outdoor adventure can be a safe, enjoyable, and unforgettable experience. So gear up, get out there, and embrace the beauty and excitement of the great outdoors.
Section 11. Embrace the wild. Start your adventure today. The wild is calling. What are you waiting for? Start planning your next adventure today. Lace up your boots, pitch your tent, embrace the unknown. Discover the thrill of the great outdoors.